your first snow. Whoa. Ruby, don't pee on me, dude. Rue, go. I can't see you. Go over there. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. Oh, my God. Come on, Rue.
What are you doing?
Come on.
Come on, Ruby.
Come on, Rue.
Go get him.
She can't get her big old belly up there. Aww. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, look at me. Everybody look.
Aww.
Look at.
Yes, they're so cute. Hi, guys. Ruby. We need to make a snow Ruby. Yeah, you gonna make a snow Ruby? Ruby! What do you think about the snow, dude? What do you think? Oh, hot chocolate is...
This is even funner than going sledding.
Yeah, it smells a little deep for sled riding. Poor Ruby. She's probably, like, inhaling all that snow. But I think I read somewhere